Welcome to Tripping Eagle. Today we're getting on a journey to discover the joy of minimalist packing. Imagine this: the night before your trip, you're filled with excitement, not stress, as you pack your suitcase with ease. Our goal is to make packing simple and easy to understand, so you can experience the calm and joy that comes with traveling light. Let's begin. Before we touch our clothes, let's pause and visualize. Take a deep breath and close your eyes. Imagine yourself on your trip. Picture the destination, the sights, the sounds, and the smells. Feel the excitement building up. What do you see yourself doing? Are you hiking up a mountain, lounging on a beach, or exploring a bustling city? What are you wearing? Is it comfortable, stylish, or both? By taking a few moments to envision your ideal trip, you'll gain clarity and intention, which are essential for mindful packing. This mental exercise helps you focus on what truly matters. Just like when we tidy our homes, we want to approach packing with a sense of purpose. A well-organized space leads to a well-organized mind. This will help us choose only the items that truly spark joy and enhance our travel experience. By being selective, we ensure that every item we pack serves a purpose and adds value to our journey. So, take your time, plan thoughtfully, and pack with intention. Your future self will thank you for the effort you put in now. Now that we've visualized our trip, let's create a packing list. This is the first step towards a stress-free and enjoyable journey. This list will be our guide, our roadmap to packing success. It ensures we have everything we need without overpacking. Start by writing down the essential categories: clothing, toiletries, electronics, and any other items you need for your specific activities. Think about the weather, the culture, and the activities you'll be engaging in. Remember, this list is not about restricting ourselves, but rather about making conscious choices. It's about bringing what truly matters and leaving behind what doesn't. As you write each item, hold it in your mind's eye and ask yourself, does this bring me joy? Will it add value to my experience? Will it truly enhance my trip? By focusing on joy and necessity, we ensure our travels are light, both in luggage and spirit. Happy packing. Choosing versatile clothing is like selecting items that spark joy in multiple areas of your life. We want to pack items that can be mixed and matched to create various outfits. Think neutral colors, simple tops, and bottoms that can be dressed up or down. Remember, each piece of clothing should bring a sense of joy and anticipation for the trip. Fold each item neatly, thanking it for its versatility and the joy it will bring on your adventure. Chapter 4. Packing cubes are like little containers of joy for your suitcase. They help you compartmentalize your belongings, maximizing space and minimizing wrinkles. As you fill each cube, express gratitude for the opportunity to travel and experience new things. Imagine the joy of effortlessly finding what you need without disrupting the order of your suitcase. Packing cubes are a small investment that brings a sense of calm and organization to your travels. Chapter 5. Shoes. They can be both exciting and challenging to pack. The key is to select shoes that spark joy and serve multiple purposes. Aim for a maximum of 3 pairs. A comfortable pair for walking, a dressier option if needed, and perhaps a pair for specific activities. As you pack each pair, visualize yourself wearing them on your trip. Feel the joy of each step you take, knowing you packed with intention and care. Travel-sized toiletries are like little gifts we give ourselves, allowing us to maintain our routines and feel our best while on the go. Choose products that spark joy and simplify your routine. As you pack each tiny bottle, appreciate the convenience it provides and the opportunity to refresh and rejuvenate during your travels. Rolling our clothes is a technique that sparks joy in both our suitcases and our hearts. It's a mindful practice that allows us to maximize space while minimizing wrinkles. As you roll each garment, visualize it arriving at your destination, wrinkle-free and ready to wear. This technique not only saves space, but also brings a sense of order and tranquility to our packing process. Just like when we tidy our homes, we want to choose items that can serve multiple purposes. A scarf can become a shawl, a sarong, or even a makeshift bag. A small empty container can hold jewelry or toiletries. Embrace the versatility of your belongings and let them spark joy in unexpected ways. If you're packing bulkier items like jackets or sweaters, consider wearing them during your travels. This not only saves precious suitcase space, but also eliminates the need to pack for varying temperatures. Embrace the layers and enjoy the freedom of traveling light. As you close your suitcase, leave a little space. This space represents openness to new experiences, souvenirs, and memories. It's a reminder that our journey is not just about the destination, but also about the experiences and treasures we gather along the way. Packing light allows us to embrace spontaneity and return home with more than just souvenirs, but with hearts full of joy. As we've discovered, minimalist packing is not about deprivation, but about intention and joy. It's about carefully selecting each item, ensuring it serves a purpose and brings happiness. This approach allows us to focus on what truly matters, making our travel experiences richer and more meaningful. By choosing items that spark joy, packing mindfully, and leaving space for the unexpected, we can transform the often dreaded task of packing into an opportunity for reflection and gratitude. Imagine opening your suitcase and seeing only things that make you smile. This not only lightens your physical load, but also your mental one, allowing you to be more present and enjoy your journey to the fullest. I encourage you to try these tips on your next trip and experience the peace and freedom that come with traveling light. Start by laying out all your potential items and then ask yourself if each one truly adds value to your trip. You might be surprised at how much you can leave behind. Remember, the goal is to travel with ease and joy, not to be burdened by excess. Thank you for joining me on this journey to joyful packing. It's been a pleasure sharing these insights with you, and I hope they inspire you to rethink your packing habits. Traveling light isn't just a trend, it's a lifestyle choice that can lead to more fulfilling and stress-free adventures. If you enjoyed these tips, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves to travel, and subscribe for more tidying and organizing inspiration. Your support helps us create more content that can make your life simpler and more joyful. Until next time, happy travels. May your journeys be filled with lightness, joy, and unforgettable memories. Safe travels. and see you in the next video.